There we go. First fish of the day, folks. First fish of the day.
Bigger than mine?
Check her out, check her out.
Let me see.
Bigger than one I had.
No, mine
About,
was about the same size.
about the same size, but guess what? I caught it.
So we've all caught one?
Yep. A little pan fishing for today. He was right there by that stick. Right there where he was getting all them bites. Yeah.
I'm fucking minnow over there jumping out of the water.
Got him. Got him. They're getting smaller.
Oh, shit.
I was waiting for you to fall in back there.
You do got an awful lot of fucking movement back there, don't you?
Little worm, little bobber, little perch action. Little bobber.
I was catching all kinds of shit. But
You want this bobber?
I'm not
re-putting
fuck
anything
do I
on
got
it.
going on here?
Nice little mess.
Well,
Did you see that shit? It didn't hit him. I hit it with my hand. That was some cool shit.
I could go back on that side and fish if I really wanted to.
Yeah?
You think it'd be better chance over there?
I got him. How big is he?
You didn't even.
I caught the smallest of the day.
You couldn't even get it in its fucking mouth. That's how small it was.
Look at that big feller.
Bait. Let me use it as bait.
No.
You ain't got if anybody was to use live bait, it'd have to be probably my pole.
Look at that whomper.
Because if I'm correct, Jared, my pole's got the heaviest cast.
I got him over the tree.
You got another fish?
Yeah. Telling you, buddy, that structure. That one's a green sunfish.
Jared, from what I'm saying, if we need cut bait or live bait, we know where to fucking go.
Yeah, well, remember the last time we came down here, we couldn't catch a perch for nothing. No. Got him.
Oh, you fucker. How you getting all the fish and I ain't getting shit?
My line's in the water.
Well, so was mine. Oh, that's a shitty spot.
Yeah, you're at a bad spot to cast, though. It's easier from down here. Yeah.
Go digging. I'll bring Jared somewhere. If I ain't both out on my ass all the way back around there to bring you worms. No, you can just bring him worms.
Bam. Biggest one yet. Biggest little sunfish. But you get the idea. Good day. On that note, we got a bobber, we got a hook, we had a sinker, and a little piece of worm. Hitting all this structure. Can't beat it. My camera! And I think we're going to end the note on that day. End the day on that note. Have a good one. Got one!
Where's it going in at?
Over here.
This is a nice little place. I'm just worried about how I'm going to get up.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, moon pie. Don't put no pressure on that stick right there.
I don't know about this shit.
Yeah. Get down before your mother kills me.
You want by me, Jared?
Nope. I was just wondering where you was
Take this
fishing.
fucking pole. Oh, it's gonna be dangerous to get off. Yeah, I guess Mom would kill us both if I got hurt. She's like that for some fucking reason.
You fucker, I got a fish too. I got him.
Oh, I need to get a little further.
I told you I was getting all kinds of fucking bites here.
Sure. I was gonna give you the fish.
Well, that's a,
Boy, that's a good one.
fucking bluegill.
Where's my pole at?
Right here in my hand.
I think I got the biggest of the day.
Shit, this fucking balance of mine.
Did you say you got pliers in there?
Yeah,
It's biting over here.
they're right there in that black black case right next to my hat.
Yeah, that's a green sunfish.
Now we know where to get bait.
That's
Fuck you,
a
Jared.
that's a
You
green
ain't-
that's a
you
green
ain't fucking
sunfish.
Yeah, suck a dick.
I told you to come over here, didn't I?
Yes, you did, I guess.
Okay then.
You want to leave the bait over here?
Well, that's up to you.
What you doing that for? Trying to make me fall?
You could tell I've been out in the country and all that fucking shit doing that shit, but way more than he has, huh?
Yeah.
Because I can sit up here, it don't fucking faze me one bit, but not him.
Ooh.
What?
Are you coming over here?
Yeah, I am. I'm trying to get the bait.
So you got a nice fucking hole right there. You
Yeah.
can do.
Oh, that's real slick.
Fuck you.
And what kind of insult?
That
what was-
motherfucker is over here splashing and fucking flipping water at me.
Hey, grabbing worms.
Motherfucker. Hey, what was you trying to insult me with?
Who?
Him. Who was you insulting?
I wasn't insulting anybody.
I thought one of y'all said something.
You got a guilty conscience or something?
Yep.
Boy, that was a good hole right there.
I'm always guilty. It's just if you'll find anything way to prove it.
You ain't got no bait.
I got a little bitty chunk of bait.
Enough to get that fucking fish.
Told you.
You get your own fucking bait. At this point, I'm
Did
sick
you
of
just?
walking
Oh.
around. But I'll do it. Here, this is the only bait you're getting.
Now bring a whole container down here.
Maybe not. Something's walking in there. You hear it?
Well, that little fella, he pulled like a motherfucker.
Thought you had something bigger?
Yeah.